What if I told you that Bitcoin could hit $500,000 by 2025? And what if I said that right now, while everyone's distracted by meme coins and AI hype, Bitcoin is quietly setting up for its biggest bull run yet? Stick around because today, I'm breaking down exactly why Bitcoin is still the king of crypto and how you can position yourself to profit massively from it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Your Name, and I help everyday people like you navigate the wild world of crypto to build real wealth. Today, we're diving deep into Bitcoin, why it's still the king, why it's going to dominate crypto in 2025, and most importantly, how you can get in on the action before it's too late. Let me take you back to 2009. Bitcoin launched as this mysterious project by an anonymous creator named Satoshi Nakamoto. Fast forward to today, and Bitcoin is the most valuable cryptocurrency in the world, with a market cap of over $1 trillion. But here's the thing, Bitcoin has always had its critics. People said it was a bubble, a scam, even a passing fad. Yet, here we are over a decade later, and Bitcoin is stronger than ever. Picture this. In 2010, a programmer named Laszlo Hanyecz made history by buying 2 Papa John's pizzas for 10,000 BTC, worth about $41 back then. Today, those pizzas would cost over $600 million. That's the kind of wild ride Bitcoin's been on, defying doubters at every turn. Bitcoin isn't just a cryptocurrency, it's a revolution. It's digital gold, a store of value, and a hedge against inflation. And with the next halving event just around the corner, Bitcoin is setting up for its biggest bull run yet. Let's rewind a bit further, back to 2011, when Bitcoin was trading at just $1. A guy named Eric Finman, then 12 years old, begged his parents to let him invest $1,000 from his grandma into BTC. They thought he was nuts, but he bought 1,000 coins. By 2017, that stash was worth $4 million. He became a teenage millionaire because he saw what others didn't. Stories like these aren't just luck. They're proof Bitcoin rewards the bold. Now, let's get into the meat of it. Why is Bitcoin going to dominate crypto in 2025? Here are the 3 biggest reasons. 1. Institutional adoption. Big players like BlackRock, Fidelity, and even governments are already eyeing Bitcoin as a legitimate asset class. With Bitcoin ETFs on the horizon and more institutions adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets, the demand for Bitcoin is only going to increase. Just look at MicroStrategy. They've scooped up over 200,000 BTC since 2020, betting billions on its future. In 2024 alone, their stock soared as Bitcoin rallied, proving institutions aren't just dipping toes, they're diving in headfirst. The halving event. Bitcoin's next halving event is set for 2024, and history shows that halving events are followed by massive bull runs. The last halving in 2020 saw Bitcoin go from $8,000 to $69,000 in just 18 months. If history repeats itself, Bitcoin could easily hit $500,000 by 2025. Why does this happen? Every halving cuts the supply of new BTC in half. Miners get less, scarcity kicks in, and demand skyrockets. Back in 2016, post-halving, BTC jumped from $650 to $20,000 in a year. The pattern's clear. Less supply, more hype, bigger prices. 3. Global economic uncertainty. With inflation on the rise and traditional financial systems showing cracks, Bitcoin is becoming the go-to hedge for investors. It's decentralized, scarce, and immune to government manipulation. In a world of economic uncertainty, Bitcoin is the ultimate safe haven. Take Venezuela. Hyperinflation hit 1,000,000% in 2018, and citizens turned to Bitcoin to survive. Or look at 2022, when Russia's sanctions sparked a BTC buying spree. As of March 2025, with US debt at $34 trillion and central banks printing money like it's confetti, Bitcoin's fixed 21 million cap looks more appealing than ever. All right, let's talk about the part you've been waiting for, how you can profit from Bitcoin. Here are 3 actionable steps you can take right now. 1. Dollar cost average. If you're not already holding Bitcoin, now's the time to start. Use a dollar cost averaging strategy to buy small amounts regularly. This way, you'll minimize risk and maximize your upside. Start with $10 a week on an app like Coinbase. Over time, it adds up, and you're in no matter where the price dips or spikes. 2. Invest in Bitcoin ETFs. With Bitcoin ETFs on the horizon, you'll soon be able to invest in Bitcoin through traditional brokerage accounts. This is a game changer for institutional and retail investors alike. The SEC greenlit spot BTC ETFs in January 2024, and by March 2025, they're pulling in billions. BlackRock's iShares fund alone holds 300,000 BTC. Jump in via Fidelity or Schwab when they're live. 3. Secure your Bitcoin. If you're holding Bitcoin, make sure it's secure. Use a hardware wallet or a reputable exchange with strong security measures. Remember, not your keys, not your coins. In 2014, Mt. Gox lost 850,000 BTC to a hack, $450 million then, $50 billion today. Don't be that guy. Grab a Ledger or Trezor and sleep easy. Look, I get it. Crypto can feel overwhelming. The fear of missing out, the fear of losing money, it's real. But here's the truth. Bitcoin is one of the safest bets in crypto right now. It's not a meme coin or a flash-in-the-pan trend. It's the foundation of the next generation of the internet. And if you don't position yourself now, you risk missing out on one of the biggest wealth-building opportunities of the decade. Here's a story for you. In 2013, a Norwegian guy named Christopher Koch bought 5,000 BTC for $27 to test a thesis, then forgot about it. 4 years later, he checked his wallet. $850,000. He sold some, bought an apartment, and still holds the rest. That's Bitcoin's magic. It turns small moves into life-changing wins. Here's something most crypto influencers won't tell you. Bitcoin could eventually replace gold as the world's primary store of value. That's right, Bitcoin could become the new gold standard. Why? Because Bitcoin is decentralized, scarce, and immune to government manipulation. And with a market cap that's still a fraction of gold's, the upside potential is enormous. Gold's sitting at $10 trillion. Bitcoin's at $1.3 trillion as of March 2025. If it flips just 20% of gold's market, that's $100,000 per BTC, minimum. If you're excited about Bitcoin and want to learn more, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'll be dropping more videos like this every week to help you stay ahead of the curve in crypto. And if you're ready to take action, click the link in the description to check out my free guide on how to invest in Bitcoin and start building your wealth today. Before you go, here's a sneak peek at next week's video. I'll be revealing the top 3 altcoins that could 10x in 2025. And one of them is a little-known Bitcoin competitor that's flying under the radar. You don't want to miss it. See you next time.